Ciao everybody, Katerina here. Welcome to my home. Well, my husband and I, along with my brother-in-law Vedat and his beautiful wife Arzu, we took a wonderful trip to Madrid, Spain to see Bocelli. And one of the dishes that we all enjoyed tremendously was Spanish garlic shrimp. I have the recipe, delicious. This is what we will be preparing today. Heat your frying pan at medium heat. 1/3 cup of extra virgin olive oil, and we're going to heat it up for 2 minutes. I'm going to season the oil with sea salt, about half a teaspoon, and some black pepper. 8 slivered garlic cloves. Give it a good mix. Teaspoon of cayenne pepper. I'm going to saute the garlic for 2 minutes. We want the garlic golden brown. I went early this morning to our fishmonger and I have 12 fresh tiger shrimp, and they've been shelled and deveined. My garlic is golden brown, so we're ready for the shrimp. I'm going to place them down one layer. It's important that you place them in the frying pan one layer. You don't want to put them on top of each other because they won't cook evenly. I'm going to cook them for 2 minutes on this side. It's been 2 minutes. Now look how lovely, look how beautiful. Now we're just going to turn them around and cook the other side. I'm going to add 1/3 cup of white wine. This is what's going to deglaze and make a wonderful sauce. I'm going to cook the other side for 2 more minutes. The shrimp is ready. You don't want to overcook your shrimp because it will become rubbery. I'm just going to let the sauce cook for an additional 3-4 minutes just to thicken up a little bit. Oh, I'm going to say it if you could only smell my kitchen. I wanted to show you how beautifully the sauce thickened up. Now I'm going to add it to the shrimp. I really do love bringing you all these recipes that I collect in my travels. Just looking at this dish, I'm transported back to Madrid. So delicious. Oh my goodness, so good. And the sauce. Oh. I want to thank you so much for joining me today. And it's Katerina from my home to yours. Don't forget to hit your like button. And if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel and share my recipes. Ciao.